Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your brand decals using Silhouette Studio settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Silhouette Studio on your computer. Select the design you want to update from your library or create a new design from scratch. Make sure your design fits the dimensions of your decals. To ensure accurate sizing, check your brand specifications for decal dimensions. Use the editing tools to adjust the design as needed. If you are using an existing design, you can resize it by dragging the corners. Ensure that all text is legible and graphics are clear. Next, navigate to the Send tab to set up your cut settings. Choose the type of material you'll be using for your decals. If you're using vinyl, select the appropriate vinyl settings in Silhouette Studio. Adjust the blade settings according to the material thickness. Make sure to test your blade on a scrap piece to verify the cut quality. Once satisfied with the test cut, load your material into the cutting machine. Go back to the Send tab and click Send to start cutting the decals. While the machine is cutting, make sure to prepare your workspace for weeding. After the decals are cut, carefully remove the excess material around your design. Use a weeding tool to assist with this process for finer details. Once weeding is complete, position transfer tape over your decals. Burnish the transfer tape onto the design to make sure it adheres well. Now, you're ready to apply the decal to your desired surface. Begin by cleaning the surface thoroughly to ensure a good bond. Carefully peel the backing off the decal, making sure it sticks to the transfer tape. Align the decal on the surface and press it down firmly using a scraper or credit card. Smooth out any air bubbles for a flawless finish. Remove the transfer tape slowly, ensuring the decal stays in place. Finally, inspect your updated decals to ensure they are applied correctly and securely. With these steps, you'll have successfully updated your brand decals using Silhouette Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.